Cookie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you can see I have the dodo bird. It's flyable, rideable, and I traded for a unicorn. So today I'm going to be seeing what people trade me for a flyable, rideable dodo bird. So this guy has a frost dragon. I love frost dragons. It's from the Christmas update and they're for 1,000 Robux. So this guy is offering me a dodo bird trading for a T-Rex preteen, and it's just rideable, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Shiba Inus and 6 Shiba Inus, 7 and 8 Shiba Inus, and a rideable dodo bird. So the thing about this is it's flyable, but it's rideable. Can ride, but it's flyable. Sorry for that. The flyable is the best. Like rideable, you can have a car or something, or you can walk. Uni doesn't look like a uni. Oh no way! I have a toucan, but it's just normal. So I'm gonna decline it. I can put some 2 bats. Oh, sorry. 2 bats and get away from these. What about that? Okay, they just decline it. Okay, this guy has a dragon. And let's see. It's just normal, so sorry. Ooh, he added something else too, but I can't accept it. This girl has a... I was thinking this is like a flyable, rideable, golden unicorn. I was like, so okay, only trades with friends. Okay, you don't want to trade with me? Okay, so what he will add for a dodo bird? No way. Okay. But it's uncommon. If it was something legendary, oh, okay, I didn't think about that. Sorry, sir. Oh my god, that was so crazy. Has like a mega neon. Wait, who has like a dodo bird? Who has this unicorn that said Millie Bobby Brown? Okay, this girl has it. So I don't know they're speaking Arabic, but I don't know how to speak Arabic. Hop, legendary, posting. But what is it? No way! They're just gonna accept it. It's not in the game. No. If it was flyable, rideable, probably I'm gonna accept it because it's not in the game. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. They're gonna accept it? No way. Okay, I'm gonna add a token. I'm gonna add a hoverboard. Okay, they're just gonna decline it. No way, they were like accepting it. No way. Like people are like giving turtles, but they don't because they're not in the game, and kangaroos are pretty rare, so they don't want to give, and they're just like accepting it. No. I can't. Sorry. If it's like flyable, rideable, I can, but I feel bad for it because like I feel bad because like it's not in the game, and yeah. Why I'm putting my hoverboard in and I'm gonna decline it. Sorry, it's in the game, but I can't buy it because it's for the Robux. So yep. Okay, let's see over here. This I don't know. Okay, vegetables. Some has vegetable. Okay, let's see what we have over here. Like I'm crazy right now. Like oh my god, how they want to like accept like oh my god, how they want to like accept a kangaroo. Like you can get the dodo bird if you could have a good luck, but you cannot have kangaroo now. That was so cool, but I can't accept it because I don't want to lose my flyable, rideable pet. Okay. Aw, this guy's trading me again and again. He really wants the dodo bird. Sorry, I can't. No, sorry. Is this a guy I'm trading? Like, who has the dodo? And oh yeah, this guy has. No, it's a guy or a girl? It's a guy. Like, look, he wants a lot. He wants like a dodo bird, but yeah, I feel bad for him. Like, what he said? Trying to make mega uni or trade. Ooh. Okay, mega uni. I'll say trade me mega uni. Ooh, someone has a Scalyrex. I really want that Scalyrex. Okay, let's put this. He is the same guy. I want the Scalyrex. Please, the Scalyrex. Okay, let's put this in. Nah, not good trade. My dream pet is Fast and Bad Dragon. Sorry, I don't have it, but you can have a dodo bird for a good trade. Okay, guys, I think that was the end of the video, and hope you like it. Subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Goodbye.